Who knew that a simple turkey veggie soup could feel like a warm hug in a bowl? Come with me and let's stir up something that's really wholesome and delicious. Okay? I have here, I've got 5 turkey breast fillets. We're going to cut that up for the soup, and I have over here, I've got 3 carrots. I have 4 celery stalks, half an onion, 1 potato, a yam and a sweet potato, and my secret weapons here, that's lemon and Parmesan rind, okay? And a little bit of fresh dill to top it off at the end. So let's get started. We want all this to catch all the yuckies. The onion, I'm going to walk over to the pan because we want to get that just sautéing lightly before we put the turkey in to cook that. We've got a little bit of butter and olive oil in the pan. We're just going to get the onion sautéing here while we cut up the turkey. There we go. We're back here and we're going to cut up the turkey breast fillets and get those cooking. And you know what? It doesn't have to be turkey. It can be chicken. But when I went to the grocery store, turkey was on sale, and sometimes what's on sale kind of dictates what you buy. So we're doing this turkey. Woo! Okay, come with me over to the stovetop and we're gonna get cooking the turkey. And I'm bringing my wine. Come on, let's go. Oh my gosh, I love, love, love the smell of cooking onions. And doesn't this look amazing? Okay, I think this is reduced enough that we're gonna put the turkey in with this and start seasoning the meat. So I have here with me spicy pepper medley. It's one of my favorite spices. We're going to be putting some of that on here. This is about, I'm going to say probably a teaspoon. And we're going to go in with a little bit of garlic powder. I'm going to say that's probably a 1/4 teaspoon. A little bit of onion powder. Another 1/4 teaspoon. And a little bit of sage. Yep, probably about a 1/4 teaspoon. And rosemary. Now, while this is simmering down, I'm going to get started on the soup stock. I'm going to take a little pat of butter and just a splash of olive oil. Okay, that looks good. I am going to pour this in here. Reducing this. Again, little spicy pepper medley. Maybe another half a teaspoon. A little more sage. It's all the same spices we used on the turkey. We're just going to do this here with the veggies. Okay, butter and oil is coating these veggies nicely. So I have here, I've got some chicken broth. This is, I don't know, I'm gonna guess I've got about a third left in here, and this one is full. So we're gonna pour that in there. We're gonna get the soup stock started. And whatever we need for liquid, we're just gonna top it off with a little bit of water. So as this starts out, I want to pull out my secret recipe, or not my secret recipe. I'm going to pull out my secret weapon. And this is a Parmesan rind, and I'm going to drop it in here. It just gives the soup base total flavor. It just brings it up a notch, and people are going to think that they're eating in a restaurant. Well, it kind of is like a restaurant. Okay, I think our turkey is done. I am going to put it into the soup. And as you can see, we're a little bit light on the fluid here, so when the kettle boils, I'm going to top it off with a little bit of water. Another secret ingredient. This is something that I swear by. I buy this in beef bone broth and chicken bone broth. I just think that the health benefits of this is incredible. I don't get paid to say that, by the way. So it's not like this is mandatory in the soup, but I do love this stuff, so I'm going to add it because I think the health benefits are just really good for my family. And this is like 500 mils of turmeric and ginger chicken bone broth. So folks, I'm gonna put a lid on this and we're gonna let it simmer for I'm gonna say probably an hour. Let's take the lid off and let's take a peek. Oh my goodness. Take a look at that. We are almost done here. So I have a little bit left of its orzo noodles. I've got about a little more than half a cup. I'm going to pour that in. We need about 5 minutes for that to cook off. Just give that a stir. We are going to squeeze in half a lemon just to give it some zest and a little added elevated flavor. And some fresh dill. There we go. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Okay. We'll be back in 5 minutes. Oh, this is what we need to take out. So do you remember I showed you my secret weapon? Oh, here it is. This is the Parmesan rind that we put in. It just totally elevates the base of the soup. I'm going to take that out because we don't need that in there any longer. It has infused this with such royal goodness. I can hardly wait. We need about 5 minutes here for the orzo noodles to plump up. And we'll be back. Well, let's take a look. That looks ready to me. The orzo is cooked. Let's take this over. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that, folks. Doesn't that look so good? So let's pour this up. Look at all that goodness. Look at that. Now, if this soup has warmed you up, just wait. I've got plenty more kitchen adventures ahead. Until next time, stay saucy and keep stirring up the goodness. And, oh, one more thing. The bread here, if you like the recipe for that, you can just check the video that's attached here. This is our savory sourdough. And until next time, folks, cheers.